Welcome back to Mach E Connection. Today, let's look into how to install a wireless charging magnetic phone mount. So if I want to use my old phone mount for my WRX, I use a suction cup. I don't know if I want to actually suction it to the window, or if I want to stick it to the dash. Kind of like the dash idea more. If I stick it to the dash, that won't suction, so we're going to need to stick this on. See how that looks. Remove the sticker. There we go. Now this guy will suction right onto that. There we are. And they got wired to the dash. If I want to take it off, I can still suction it. And then push it back on. Alright, so now that we got our cell phone mount where we want it right here, we need to give it power. And I have a new device I want to try out. So let's go back to this. Pop this down. Make sure your clips are all there. We are going to try something new today. We have something from Donger Technologies. Donger Technologies got some clips here. Looks like they gave us some micro USB. So we get this adapter, which gives us a USB connector. And these should splice right into our powered rearview mirror. So there's our dash cam wires. Alright, we have the light on and my microphone on now, so you can probably see what I'm doing now. So we disconnected our power mirror, which is a 6-pin, it's a 5-pin. And taking our adapter, again our adapter has one USB. That should splice right in. So let's take this guy, clip it right in, and this guy here should clip right into this. And that gives us a USB to use for our dash cam. Before we go much farther, let's go ahead and give it a test. Make sure it's going to work for us. Let's take that. Plug you into here. Here we go. Now the car is not powered on, but let's see if it still works. Okay, let's turn the car on. And phone's charging. It works. Okay, we got our spudgers. Make sure they're plastic so you'll scratch anything. And we're gonna start from up here and just start feeding our USB cable over. So this mount also gives us little plastic clips we can stick on. I think we're going to use one right there at the base. This wire doesn't move. So plastic. Okay. So these are dash cam wires. I do have some other rubber ones. We're going to try to use some of these to hold these wires steady. We don't want these things rattling around at all in here, you know. Back up, and you can see we have a nice clean install. There we go. And you can see our little plastic piece we put right there to hold our wire. And goes our mount. And we have our cell phone holder. Our links to all this stuff is in the comments. This is a 3rd gen mount from this company. I can't pronounce their name. So if you order, you probably will get this one here. This is the new 4th gen one. And it does use a different connector. So I'm not sure if this will work with this setup or not. But if you get the 3rd gen one, it should be just fine. And you want to make sure it all works. Let's put our phone here. You see, we are charging. And we can still turn our phone sideways. There we go. So there we go. It's all working. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later. Bye.